nung last week, si Yumir and si they confirmed their participation. How big is it sa Philippine team in this boxing tournament?
Yeah, well, first, they're very good medal chances, no? So that's important for them to be in the lineup. Second is siguro to also open doors for possible collaboration with some of our counterparts in the pros, no? So nagkataon si Yumir at saka si Weljon, wala rin kasi kumbaga available yung weight class nila eh. Wala silang katimbang sa national team. Or kung meron man mga up and coming pa lang. So kaya nabigyan sila ng opportunity, no? So but kung ibang weight class naman, let's say papadala ka sa 54, 57 na pros, dadaan naman sila dun sa proseso na merong box off. So at least we're also opening up yung yung idea na yon na even pros are welcome. We can actually collaborate, we can make it work. Kasi pagdating sa when you're carrying the flag, ang obligation natin, ang duty natin is to be able to send the best possible team. So yun naman yung gusto natin gawin.
Sir, about the other boxers, of course, usually naman talaga we're always in contention to win golds in the boxing event.
Yeah. Well, karamihan year-long naman yung yung naging preparation for this. So they're ready, and sabi ko mas excited ako doon sa mga first-timers kasi we have 6 or half of the team na first time in the SEA Games. Kaya ako excited ako kasi yan yung mga uhaw pa mga talagang gustong magpakita. So very excited ako for them na magkaroon ng ganitong opportunity sa boxing career nila.
Sir, lastly, of course, you all know, pag boxing SEA Games, usually Philippines and Thailand. Thailand is the host, so medyo it will be difficult for us to get goals. So how do you see the this new chapter of this boxing rivalry?
Yeah, well, in Thailand mahirap talunin kahit saan. Di mas lalo na sa home country nila. But you just want to make it as convincing as possible, di ba? Obviously, decision talaga ng judges is not within your control, pero nasa control mo, paano mo gagawing mas convincing for the judges. So yun yung objective. Hindi rin talaga okay na ang objective mo is to knock out unless nasa weight classes kanina Yumir na Weljon na malaki yung possibility, pero sa ibang weight classes kasi syempre 3 rounds lang yan, so ang hirap so it's only when the opportunity comes. So talagang kailangan mo lang ikaw yung magko-control nung laban, di ba? So yun naman ang pinag-trainingan nila, pinaghihirapan nila.